how to increase or decrease exposure in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in here, tap on the quick controls button. And from here, you want to swipe across and then tap on the exposure button right here. So tap on the exposure button. And from here, you can then drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right to increase the exposure or to decrease the exposure. And that's it. After that, you can then take a picture. So here is an exposure. And if you go back, you can change it. So here we change it back to 0, which is the default. So it is set at the balance level, not underexposed or overexposed. And then just tap on the shoot button. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.